Right, hello again. Right, today I'm installing this air conditioner. I bought a cheap air conditioner from Amazon, which I measured, and it fits perfectly in the garage access hole there. So I've sealed all around there, fitted it nicely. Put a vent there into the back so it sucks the hot air back through. I put a wire from the back, from the front, sorry, from my inverter, which is there under the bench seat. So I can either run it off the inverter. I worked out with my power, I can run it for about an hour, hour and a half without damaging the battery. Or if you're on the site and plugged in, I could just change the plugs over and run it continuously then. So I put a plug in the back here, and there's the air conditioner there. I've made a frame for it to go on, and I've strapped it in with these metal straps, top and bottom. I've run both drain pipes through the floor, down through the floor there. And it's just the exhaust now, which I've got to keep as short as possible, obviously. I had two options, one to run it straight across to the back, which I think will be in the way and it'll be quite long. So I'm going to drill a hole through the side here so it'll vent then. So it'll vent somewhere up there. I bought a large hole cutter. It's going to be quite scary cutting through the body of the van, but needs must. So see how we get on. There we go. There's the outside panel of the van. I'm going to drill from the other side now. Wasn't too bad. Big hole in the van though. Right, so attach the vent here. I glued the duct on, cable tied it, and put some ducting tape around there, the aluminium type. I put a bead of silicone all around the vent, external vent, and I'm going to push it back in now. Yeah, just clean off that excess glue now. I've got a bit of washing up liquid in a cup. Makes a nice tidy finish. Yeah. Right, so I've got this insulation wrap. I've cut it into strips. I'm going to complete the wrap this pipe here. I'm going to put a support in there up there to keep it so it's not bouncing about too much. Right, there we are, all wrapped up in foil now. Got my hanger on as well, just to support it a bit. Pretty solid anyway. So I'll keep the heat from coming back into the back of the van. I'm going to run it for a bit now and see how we go. Power's on. Switch it on. That's all on now. Just check the back vent. Yeah, throw it out there. Great. See if that warms up now. Leave it for a bit and get back to you. Yeah, so it's lovely and cool in here now. Ready for all days in France. Yeah, it's blowing out quite well. I can feel it. I can feel it blowing from way back here. So very happy with that. Much cheaper than doing a roof aircon. Yeah, fantastic. Very happy.